Hello, hey guys, welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. I hope all is well. So listen, today's notary tip is always let your client count the money with you. Okay, when they go to make their payment to you, make sure they count it with you or you see it some kind of way. I just had a situation where I finished a power of attorney signing at a nursing home, and mom was like, oh, the envelope is on the counter. The envelope is on the counter. And I saw the envelope there, but I wasn't about to just pick up the envelope and assume it was from me. I figured it was, but I wasn't getting ready to assume. So when I pick up the envelope and I take it to the mother who was paying for her son that's in the nursing home, she says, oh, you want me to open it and give it to you? And I said, well, I don't want to just take it. Fortunately, I did have her to do that and open the envelope and count it, because it was actually $50 short. Okay, it was actually $50 short. So she was like, oh, as she was counting, she said, oh, I did take a 50 out. Okay, so imagine I took the closed envelope, I get to the car, I count the money, and it's not correct. Now whose fault is that? Am I gonna call her back and say, you know, you shorted me $50? I probably would do that, but that's not how you want to do business. It's better to have them count it with you up front. Now, I do have another scenario for you, okay? And this happened to me one time. I had a client. I did her in my home. I was rushing for a meeting that I had, and the client overpaid me. So when I got upstairs, when I did have time to finally sit and look at it, it was about an hour later, because like I said, I was on a meeting. And I said, I know she didn't mean to pay me this for one document. That was a really nice tip. I was thinking at first. And then something said, Kim, call her and find out, did she really mean to give you that? Was it an accident or what? Sure enough, when I called her, she said, oh, no, ma'am, I didn't realize I had given that to you. So now it was an extra 20, like I was saying. So I sure would have appreciated it. But that's not what she was trying to do. She made a mistake. So I actually cashed app her back the 20, because at first she was like, well, that's okay, you can keep it, and I could tell that she didn't really want to give it to me, right? So I could have said, okay, sure, thank you, bye. But no, I could tell she really did not want to give it to me, and maybe she didn't even have it to tip me an extra $20. So anyway, I did cash app her back the difference. So always count the money that the client is giving you, all right? And again, slow down a little bit, because like I said in the second example, I was rushing. I had a meeting and I just grabbed the money thinking it was the correct amount, and she'd actually overpaid by mistake. So always be honest too with your clients. Work from a place of authenticity and honesty with all of your clients. Don't try to cheat them, okay? Because you don't want to be cheated, so treat people how you want to be treated. So anyway, that was today's notary tip. Until next time, guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.